Hello friends, in my last video I told you about the driver and the conductor number. In this video I am going to tell some other numbers which are equally valuable for the purpose of numerology. First of all, we will discuss the attitude number, which is very important for making the prediction of any particular date of birth. Attitude number, it is the total of the day number value plus month number value. In other words, it is the total of driver number plus month value of your birth. It shows a general opinion of others towards you. It represents a general impression of yours in the mind of others. Here, in the example given, in date of birth 12 August 1971, if we calculate the attitude number, which comes at 3 plus 8, 3 driver number plus 8 month number for August, which is again a master number, but for the purpose of calculating the attitude number we will have to reduce it further. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Number 2 represent moon, which means general impression. Your general impression is very soft and sensitive in opinion of others. Being a master number, it has a vibration of extraordinary vibration of number 1, because 1 and 1 11, it come 11. That is another topic we will discuss it later. Next come generation number. Generation number is a requirement to get success, the number which is required to get success in life. In other words, it is a number we should acquire to support the conductor number for getting success. It can be said to be a remedy number for getting success. A person should improve the generation number by making the life easy. The generation number should be generated by the person on his own efforts and consistency. The generation number is calculating by reducing the number of years of birth into a single digit. In above example, the year of birth is 1971, and if we reduce it into a single number, it comes 18, and further we reduce it, it comes 9. Number 9 represents March, Mangal, which denotes the aggression to do something. If anybody has a generation number 9, he should act according to the element of number 9, that is March. Number 9 teaches to leave the laziness in work or habit of postponement of the today's work for another day. Postponement of work should be avoided for getting success of a person having generation number 9 in his date of birth. In short, number 9 tells us the punctuality. If any person having the generation number 9 should be punctual for getting success in the life. Next come to expression number. This number is a total value of the letters of full name of a person. Every alphabet is having own number, and according to which the expression number, which is known as name number, can be calculated. It represents natural skills, talent, and potentials within a person. In Western numerology, it is also known as destiny number. It is a total of solar's number and personality number, which we will discuss further. This number tells the field in which one can get success. It also tells that a person knows the way naturally in a particular field. Now, what is the soul urge number? Soul urge number is a inner goal, is a number of inner goal of a person which he never expressed to anyone, which he never share. It is calculated by adding the vowels of the name, the values of vowels. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U in the full name of a person. In fact, it represents the inner secrets, inner will of a person and the subconscious also. And now, what is the personality number? Personality number shows what sort of self-image you represent to the world. What you are, it is a different matter, but what you trying to show off yourself to the world, to the others or the society, it is the personality number. It is calculated by adding the consonants of your full name. It tells the personality of a person. The name number, every alphabet having its numerical value. For calculating the name number, the value of every alphabet of your number should be added. The number and the value of the alphabets are given below in the video. For example, number 1 has AIJQY having the one number value, BRK number 2, CGLS number 3, DMT 4, EHNX 5, UVW 6, OZ 7, FP 8. Number 9 does not represent any alphabet. For this video, that is all. We will further discuss some other numbers in next video. Thank you very much.